drama is inevitable, but when celebrities are involved, it becomes a public debate. At NaijaNews, we'll be taking you through 5 Nigerian celebrities whose family drama rocked social media. Mohbad. The tragic passing of Nigerian singer Mohbad in September 2023 not only left fans devastated, but also led to a bitter feud between his family and his wife, Wunmi, for years. Following his death, his father, Joseph Aloba, repeatedly clashed with Wunmi over issues surrounding Mohbad's property, his son Liam's paternity, and the cause of his death. The drama escalated with public accusations, DNA test demands, and a deep divide within his fan base. Wunmi has repeatedly beckoned on the public to urge Mr. Aloba to allow for a proper burial of her late husband. Number 2 on the list, Phyna. Big Brother Nigerian winner Phyna shocked many when she publicly called out her family, particularly her father, for making financial demands she felt were unreasonable. The reality TV star expressed frustration over being treated as a cash machine by her relatives, claiming they felt entitled to her wealth. The drama took an unexpected turn when her father allegedly responded, stating that he deserved to benefit from her success. Fans took sides, with some sympathizing with Phyna, while others criticized her for bringing family issues to social media. Asake. Social media was recently thrown into chaos when a man, Fatai Odosi, later confirmed to be Asake's father, surfaced online, alleging that the singer had abandoned him despite his feeling ill. The man, who appeared frail in a viral video, said he suffered a stroke and he had been unable to reach Asake for support. In the same vein, Asake's alleged baby mama, identified as Adija, also accused the singer of neglecting her and her daughter, Zainat. In response, Asake addressed the issue in a cryptic yet emotional message shared on TikTok. Singing in Yoruba, he said, "You can't please everyone, you can't please the world, but anything you are doing, just do it for God. My own father wants to cajole me." However, a few days after the issue rocked the internet, Asake's father revealed that the singer had agreed to buy him a house, settle his medical bills, and take care of his daughter. Number 4. P-Square. For over a decade, P-Square brothers Peter and Paul kept fans entertained with their music, quickly becoming an icon and an unforgettable duo. However, over time, their reputation became soured with their never-ending family drama. Their infamous 2017 split was fueled by internet disputes, including an alleged interference from their elder brother, Jude Okoye. Although they reconciled in 2021, tensions resurfaced when Paul Okoye's ex-wife, Anita, made shocking revelations about their marriage. Again in 2024, Paul confirmed that he and his twin had split during an interview with City FM. Paul further revealed that Peter petitioned him and their elder brother, Jude Okoye, to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), who invited him in for questioning. Number 5. Yul Edochie. Nollywood actor Yul Edochie shattered his image as a devoted family man when he revealed in 2022 that he had taken his second wife, fellow actress Judy Austin, and had a child with her. Her first wife, May Edochie, publicly distanced herself, refusing to accept polygamy. The situation worsened as Yul became more vocal on social media, defending his decision while attacking critics. Things took an even darker turn in 2023 when Yul and Judy Austin started throwing subtle shade at May, prompting massive backlash. Yul's family, including his father, veteran actor Pete Edochie, largely remained silent, speaking widespread criticisms. While the celebrity drama didn't cease to stop, online family members keep commenting about the situations. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.